Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2021 Roush Stage 3. It's the biggest package you can get on this car. This car was born fully loaded with everything from the factory. And then Roush put its touches on it. So it's got the 750 horsepower Phase 2 Roush touches, Roush cooling package, big Brembos up front. Love the vents and the fenders. This also adds to the cooling. The hood's got cooling too, right,
Yes,
Darren?
yep, yeah. They put that on the adjustable wing in the rear.
That's an active spoiler. Also has active suspension too, right?
Yes.
Magneride.
Yes.
And active exhaust with an X pipe. Man, this thing sounds so good. Fully ceramic coated, tinted windows, killer $5,000 sound system in it. All focal speakers right
Yes.
there.
Focal speakers,
Focal.
JL audio, two 12-inch JL audio subs, Focal crossovers, two Focal crossovers, Alpine Amp. Every speaker in the car has been changed. Pillar speakers, door speakers, rear speakers. There's no stock speakers in the car anymore.
Wow.
It also has an app on your phone for LED lighting on the inside of the car and the trunk of the car.
Wow.
So you could change the colors, so it illuminates the floorboards
Wow.
and inside the trunk. Also comes with a Roush car cover, so that'll come with it as well. It also lights up Roush behind on the intercooler. You can see Roush back there. If it was a little darker, it would
Yeah. Very cool. I love this sneaky little 3 on there. You know?
Yeah. It's a great car.
It's beautiful. Very rare too. I've never seen one.
Low miles.
How many miles do you have on it?
Around 6,600.
Yeah, it's barely broken in. Remember the Roush in the 90s? Everyone wanted one.
Yep.
Cool carbon wing too.
I can have it go up if you want to show you. It goes up.
Yeah, I'd love to see that. Wow, that
That's
gives
just
you
in custom
serious
mode. Yeah,
downforce.
you can, depending on what mode you have the car in, the wing comes up by itself depending on how fast you're going.
Wow.
So when you're standing still, just to demonstrate, I can have it up and then I can put it back in my track mode.
Oh, wow.
Right now. Maybe I have to start moving.
Maybe. Killer wheels. So these are 20s in the back. The 20s in the front too. Those are super stiff Contis. Let's check out under the hood. It's got the cooling package too. So you have the trans cooler, larger radiator,
It's got a fan on the train underneath.
fan on the trans, fan on the rear. And they really stuffed that in there, huh?
Yeah, sheesh.
I had a 16 with a Whipple. I had about 700 horsepower.
Roush badges and.
Really? Yeah. RS3 21.0015, so it's the number 15 Roush Stage 3. Beautiful. Does it come standard with all the stuff?
Yep, just like this. I bought it just like this. All I did to the car is I put the radio in.
Wow. Pretty car.
I'm also very on top of all the maintenance. I change the oil early. So,
Of course.
I mean, it's only got 6,000 miles. It's got like 4 oil changes already. So
Wow. Beautiful. Love the Roush interior too with the diamond.
See the lights on if you can see them in the daytime.
Cool. Is that the gain for the sub right here?
Yeah, it's it's hard to see the lights. Let me see if I can put it in.
6,649 miles. Beautiful.
I mean, it's kind of hard to see the lights right now.
Oh, I could see it.
I could change it there. I have them red now.
Is that red? I could see it
I
in
can
the
put his
reflection.
green,
Oh, how cool.
and then his blue.
Wow.
I mean, you gotta. Here's the app if you want to just show them real quick on the phone. That's the app. It's got a ton of different stuff you can do.
Oh, different colors, standard, RGB. You can have it go to your music too. Very cool. Then you got heated and cooled seats. Here's the active exhaust. I love the pod gauges up top too. The boost and everything. And you can adjust the exhaust too?
Yeah, with the knob. You can take it. You can put it. Well, you can. If you bring it to the dealer, they could do a custom mode, which I never did.
Yeah.
You could put it in sport, track, custom. If you put it in, I think sport, it quiets the car down.
Wow.
So if you will pass a cop,
Yeah.
you can put it in sport. It sounds like a pussycat.
Wow.
You want to hear the difference?
Yeah.
That came off. That's why I just have to put it back in.
Oh yeah, I hear it. Is that track?
That was sport. Here's track.
Wow. That sounds good. Whew.
The first one was sport. It was quiet.
Yeah.
And then you have, I mean, track's a little bit louder, but they kind of sound the same. If you go to the dealer, you want to do a custom, they can make it, I don't know what that even entails, really.
Jeez, sounds good enough to me,
Yeah,
man.
that's why I left it.
Fucking intoxicating sound.
You want to see inside the trunk?
Yeah.
So here's the stereo.
Wow. Beautifully done. Jeez. Those JLs aren't cheap either.
No.
Wow.
Now it's 2 boxes because they can't get 1 box in here. It's not big enough, so the box is 2.
Sick.
2 separate boxes.
Oh, and here's the Roush toolkit.
Yeah, you have a toolkit it comes with.
Wow, the gloves and everything. Man, what a collector piece, you know? Let's go for a ride. Roush shift ball, Roush mats. Number 15.
Straight down.
Yeah.
You want me to get on a little bit?
Yeah. And these brakes stop, huh? Big Brembos. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more photos on our website. So, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.